One's for you and one's for me. What do we have? We have slime. It's ready-made slime. 3 colors. Let's take a look inside and see what we got.
This one first. This one. No.
This one first. Okay, but they're both the same.
3 colors. It has 4 colors.
3 colors. Or 4 colors. Or...
Your face is not there.
No, my
The
face
pink
isn't.
one. The pink one.
Try opening it up. Got it?
Yeah, she
Got it, got it, got it. Got it? What kind of slime is it?
It's pink.
It's pink. Let's open it up and see. What's inside?
It's pink.
It's pink slime.
No, no. Now.
How about we just do this? Ooh, it came apart.
The jelly. Sam.
Sam, it's Sam, right? Sam. Empty Sam. Everybody knows who Sam is?
She has glasses, purple glasses.
Purple glasses, and you could shape this one kind of like Sammy, right? Sammy.
Sammy is always choking.
What else we got here?
We
Next we got blue.
No, this one.
Purple?
Purple.
That's not next, but okay. Blue.
Sammy.
Purple.
Don't mix it, Emily, okay?
I'm not.
This one's got pink stays with pink. Let's open this one. This
Purple.
purple. Let me see what purple is. Oh, I got purple. I got purple slime.
This is not.
I got purple slime.
Daddy, I'm gonna make it, shape it out some glasses.
So, no, don't mix it. Don't mix them. Don't mix them. Have Sammy wait here.
Sammy wants
Purple.
Sammy Lily.
And we're not going to use this one because this one is just glitter, and we're not going to use glitter with this slime today.
No.
Maybe-
That's not glitter.
You got purple. We got...
That's not. This is slime.
No, it's not slime. We'll open it and I'll show you. That's slime. That's blue slime. We have 3 colors of slime here. We only have 3. We have blue. And we have purple. Just don't mix
Let's
some right
make
there.
a happy face.
These ones, we have another container, so we could jump rope. Nope. There we go. Oh, no.
No. I'm making a happy face.
You're gonna make a happy face?
Hey, I need the blue to make. It went there.
Is that your happy face?
Yes. That's Sammy. No, that's Sammy.
Yeah, it is kind of a happy face there, isn't it? Phew. 2 eyes, mouth, What did you get there?
The squishy.
So pretty good. That's your local dollar store
It's
slime
your turn. It's
for
your turn. It's your turn.
$3-4.
That's for you. That's for you.
This one's for me. This one's for me.
Yeah, I like it. This one's for me.
Well, I got different colors. I got different colors. I got red. I got red slime. I got red slime. I got red slime here. Red slime.
I'm making eyebrows.
Red
I'm making
slime.
eyebrows.
I'm making eyebrows. I got red slime.
Daddy.
I got red slime.
Make eyes. Like me, Daddy. Like me.
Hold them together. Hold it.
That.
There's a red slime. What else? What's next? I got blue slime.
Let's let me make a happy face. Your happy face. I'm making your happy face.
Got blue slime. Blue slime.
It's the same blue. The same blue, but it's dark blue. It's dark.
It's dark blue.
Dark blue.
Oh,
Daddy,
grab
then
it.
it's like
She
a-
tries to grab it. You can't grab it. Ah, you can't grab it. You can't grab it.
I'm making a happy face. Your happy face.
And lastly, what do we got here?
Daddy,
Green.
I'm making your happy face.
Okay. And the smile comes from green. Green slime.
Green. Green now. I'm gonna get ya. I'm gonna get ya.
Green slime.
I'm gonna get ya. I'm
Green
gonna
slime.
get ya. I'm gonna get ya.
Yeah. You missed. You missed. Green slime.
Green mouth.
Green slime. You're making a green mouth now.
Happy face. Happy.
Two happy faces. Happy face here. Happy face there. Wow. It's pretty good, eh? Pretty good slime. All for a couple of dollars at your dollar store. This is, ooh, I take the
No.
mouth.
No. No.
Okay, what else are you gonna do with your slime? What else are you gonna do with your slime? You're gonna put it.
Hey, show it. I did a little eyebrows.
Little tiny eyebrows. There,
Don't take it.
there, and there for my happy face. Alrighty. Now we can. I got one of the eyes. I gotta hold the one of the
Daddy,
eyes.
look. Daniel.
You can take the pictures and this one is going to
Oh.
Oh, okay.